Okay, peeps, here we are today. Here are the internal parts of the, sorry, that thing's not really clear, of the Smith & Wesson top brake safety hammerless 38 Smith & Wesson. I got all the nickel and rust off, and it was a bear to get off. I used some B9 nickel stripper from Casual Plating, and that worked pretty good. And then hydrogen peroxide to get it off, and a steel brush to get the rest of it off, and a steel brush to get the rust off. It was pitted, it had some issues, so I used everything from 400 grit to 3000 grit to get it to, shine like this. And now I'm going to put it back together. I also have a Smith & Wesson knife that I just cleaned up. This thing the brass was bad. You'll see in my previous video. But it cleaned up pretty good. It's stainless USA. It's still got some Renaissance wax on it, on the Smith & Wesson logo there. Got to get that off. But yeah, it was real dull. And this brass was so discolored and green, and but got it off. Looks pretty good. Trying to get the snap back on. The snap was really, I don't know, dull. It's a little less dull now. And I protected the leather sheath. So I'll be back in a minute after I get this thing put together.